Hello, my name is Nicholas Val. I'm the founding CEO of Clean Valley. Thank you for this opportunity to present how we have turned a cost center into a profit center using the power of microalgae. Speaking first of an industry that we began working with, land-based aquaculture, an industry that is providing fish, about 63% of all fish that is either on your dinner plate or in the grocery store. And essentially what they've done is mimicked how the ocean is growing fish in the water, but they've done it on land. It requires quite a bit of water and creates quite a bit of wastewater. We were brought in to work with land-based fish farms to address the problems in regards to how much it costs to treat their wastewater, about $10,000 per month, the lack of consumer trust in how natural the fish is in comparison to the fish coming out of the ocean, and of course the amount of CO2 that is produced by an average facility, which is about 39 megatons of CO2 equivalent per year. Our containerized modular plug-and-play solution addresses all these things. Within a 20-foot shipping container, we take in that wastewater. Using microalgae, we convert it into a high nutrient feed, which is then fed to invertebrates like oysters, who then lock in the CO2 into their shells, taking it out of the atmosphere and taking that wastewater away from going into the ocean, providing new water back to the facility, as well as an 8,300 monthly ROI for those fish farmers. We not only saw that this was a solution for aquaculture, but also for any industry with nitrogenous and phosphorus waste. So we began working with the black soldier fly industry. And in total, between aquaculture and black soldier flies, we have 30 contracts. If we looked at wastewater remediation for land-based aquaculture alone, that's a $10 billion industry. Add on top of that, the black soldier fly industry turns into a total addressable market, $12 billion. A service available market where we've all of our patents filed is about $1.5 billion, and our service obtainable markets where we have current operations, it's valued at $876 million. Our business model is a hardware as a service. So for $6,000 a month, we drop off the technology and we find a technician who's contracted to be on site and on call to maintain that solution on behalf of the customer. We also set up a shellfish as a service, finding local oyster farmers, taking in their oysters at the end of their growth cycle and fattening them up with as much algae as they can eat, giving them back so they can be sold for a higher price, because when you sell an oyster, you don't sell it by the oyster, you sell it by its weight. The scrappy team that's been working on this collectively has over 15 plus years in the algae research industry and 14 plus years in aquaculture. But more importantly, we work well together. We've been as a group for 5, and together we've raised $1.5 million as a pre-seed round. We have a lead who has put terms on the table, and the rest has already been soft circled. The round is going towards our hardware as a service financing. We have contracts that we want to fulfill, and this capital is going to allow us to build. We want to maintain our patents, and also we have an Ocean Supercluster of Canada AI project to bring AI to the oyster industry. We'd be grateful for any questions, thoughts, or concerns. Thank you for your time.